I've got the need for speed.
Hey, Sadness, wait for me. Oh, ouch. I think I hurt my knee.
I need a Band-Aid. Joy, we know just who you need. You need Baymax. Baymax will come and help you with your little owie. Do you need some bacitracin, Joy? You are Baymax! Oh, I always wanted to meet you. You're my favorite robot of all time. Oh, and you help people. How may I be of assistance? I am one of your biggest fans. I have a friend that you should meet. Her name is Go-Go TOMAGO. You would like her.
I can meet Go-Go? Yes, please. I want to meet Go-Go.
This is Go-Go TOMAGO. Go-Go, this is Joy from Inside Out. Nice to meet you. You have a team like we have a team. We have Big Hero 6 and you have the Inside Out team.
Yes, that's my team. We are Riley's team.
I suppose you could kind of say we're on Hero's team. But really, we're all heroes. We're all equal on Big Hero 6. Hero Baymax, me, Go-Go, Fred, Wasabi, and Honey Lemon.
I've always wanted to be an inventor, and you're so smart, and you invented the maglev discs. How did that feel?
Not nearly as exciting as it is to wear the maglev discs.
I put them on my feet, I put them on my hands. I can go super fast, and when I need them, I can use them as shields and as a weapon that I throw. It's awesome! I heard you saved San Francisco. You and your team, cool. We saved Riley. And we are Fun Kid Club, and we're gonna save the day from boredom because we're gonna move this thing along and go fast like Go-Go. And we're gonna open up these Play-Doh Surprise Eggs fast. We have not one, but 2 Play-Doh Surprise Eggs because anything with Go-Go in it has got more fun than can possibly fit in just one. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Maglev Disco Fest! And so does Go-Go. She's always on the Go-Go. So let's go and open it up. It's golden, special like Go-Go. Whoa. You know who that is? That's Anna. She was so brave. Just like Go-Go, she went and she rescued her sister. Ooh, Belle. She's smart. Go-Go is so smart. She invented the maglev disc. Cool. Kion. He's strong. So is Go-Go. Strong and athletic. There's Wasabi. Ooh, he's cool. He invented those plasma blades. And there is Go-Go. How'd we do? I love Tsum Tsums. So cool. We have more Tsum Tsums. You know who that is? That's Fred. There's Baymax in his red costume. Oh no, you're getting buried back there. Aw, it's Honey Lemon with her can-do attitude. Super positive. In that way, she's a lot like Joy. She knows chemistry too, and she invents these wonderful concoctions. She can throw them, create all kinds of chemical reactions. Joy, you're hiding. Meredith is a lot like Go-Go. She's brave. Isn't it wonderful to have all of these examples of courage, strength, intelligence, and kindness? Because inside of every one of us, we have the capacity to be brave, strong, kind, and smart. Hey guys, I'm getting squished in here. Let me out. Little squish go-go. Hugs.